Leetcode 143. Reorder list. Rearrange a given linked list so that the first node is followed by the last, the second by the second last, and so on. Find the middle, reverse the second half, and merge both halves alternately. First, let's understand how to split the list. Consider both an odd length and an even length linked list. Initially, both the tortoise and rabbit are at the same position. Now, move the tortoise one step forward and the rabbit 2 steps forward, until the rabbit reaches the end or just before the end. In an odd length list, the rabbit stops at the last position. In an even length list, the rabbit stops at none. Now, check the tortoise's position. In an odd length list, it stops at the middle. In an even length list, it stops one node after the middle. In another case, initially, the tortoise at first node and rabbit at the second node. Now, move the tortoise one step forward and the rabbit 2 steps forward, until the rabbit reaches the end or just before the end. In an odd length list, the rabbit stops at none. In an even length list, the rabbit stops at the last position. Now, check the tortoise's position. In an odd length list, it stops at the middle. In an even length list, it stops one node before the middle. But why do we need to find one node before the middle in some cases? We will see that in our approach, we find the middle for an odd length list, and the node before the middle for an even length list. To do this, the tortoise starts at the first position, and the rabbit starts at the second position. Now, move the tortoise one step forward, and the rabbit 2 steps forward, until the rabbit reaches the end or just before it. At this point, separate the two halves of the linked list. The second half must be reversed before merging. Now, Mickey is pointing next to tortoise, sets tortoises next is none. Now, we have separated linked list 1 and linked list 2. We have to reverse linked list 2. Initially, boy is at none. Point girl next to Mickey. Move Mickey's next position to boy. Move boy's position to Mickey. Move Mickey's position to girl's position. No need for girl's position anymore. Here we go again. Point girl next to Mickey. Move Mickey's next position to boy. Move boy's position to Mickey. Move Mickey's position to girl's position. No need for girl's position anymore. We have reversed linked list 2. Just make it a little more readable. Store linked list 1's next is linked list 1 temp. Store linked list 2's next is linked list 2 temp. Set linked list 1's next to linked list 2. And set linked list 2's next is linked list 1 temp. Now, change linked list 1 to linked list 1 temp. And change linked list 2 to linked list 2 temp. Again, store linked list 1's next is linked list 1 temp. Store linked list 2's next is linked list 2 temp. Set linked list 1's next to linked list 2. And set linked list 2's next is linked list 1 temp. Now, as we can see, linked list 2 has reached none. So just stop it here. Just rearranging the linked list to be a little more readable. All coding problems are organized and available on drcode.org. First, create dummy node using list node and next as head of the given node. Now both slow and fast pointing at dummy. But why not slow at head, fast at head next position? To handle edge cases we have added dummy. Initially slow and fast at dummy. The very next move, slow at the head and fast at the head next position. Using while loop until fast and fast next both are not none. Now the slow to 1 node forward. And fast to 2 node forward. Store cur at slow next position. Set slow next is none, to break the linked list. Boy is none. Mickey at cur. Do until Mickey is not none. Place the girl at Mickey next position. Set Mickey's next position as boy. Now change boy position at Mickey. And change Mickey position at girl. Now linked list 1 at dummy, next. And linked list 2 at boy. We have to do the computation until L2 is not none. Store L1 next in L1 temp if linked list 1 is not none, else just as linked list 1. As the same way, store L2 next in L2 temp if linked list 2 is not none, else just as linked list 2. Now change the linked list 1 next position to linked list 2. Change linked list 2 next position to L1 temp. Finally reset the linked list 1 position to L1 temp. And linked list 2 to L2 temp. After end the while loop, we don't have to return anything, we only need to modify the given linked list.